OE error. OE error. Water is not draining from the appliance. Turn off the appliance. OE error can occur because filters are clogged, there is a drainage problem, or the waste spigot is clogged. This error will display when water is not draining from the appliance. Check the filter. Filters are clogged. Clean the filters. Drainage may have a problem due to food residue stuck in the filter. Check the drain hose. Check for clogged, kinked, or frozen drain hose. Adjust the drain hose. Make sure that the line is not kinked. To avoid a kinked or pinched drain hose, be sure to pull on the drain hose while sliding the dishwasher into place. Do not allow any slack behind the dishwasher. Check the spigot. Check the waste spigot. Remove the knockout plug with a hammer and screwdriver. Make sure the plastic debris is not remaining inside of the spigot.